Going through all the balancing issues that John just mentioned, how do you make sure that you can start a game on the web playing with your keyboard and your mouse and then continue it on your iPhone and statistically balancing all the scores for the different user interface and handling all the different kinds of use cases. It works brilliantly. You can try it. Both games are free. But still, you know, that game went probably to the number 2 in the iTunes store for about 2 weeks and then disappeared. The issue with mobile is one that hasn't been cracked and which also affects other platforms, is you're running a service. Now let's see. iPhone, running a service on iPhone means, you know, still you need to push it through a product framework because iPhone is all around application download and you're trying to run a service which you cannot easily update. There are workarounds, but they're messy. It revolves around, you know, item pipelines and constantly updating that service, very hard to do on mobile. It revolves around a free-to-play model and microtransaction inside the game. Very hard to do. Apple came around and it now allows a limited version of those in-game transactions, but it's very, very basic. They don't allow gifting, for example. They don't allow individual item purchase. So there's loads of barriers which make everything that makes a successful game on the web, whether on or off Facebook, very, very hard to replicate on mobile. This being said, so it means nothing today. This being said, it's probably one of the biggest opportunity out there in terms of doing that successfully, both on phone and on the console. And the opportunity and the work that Facebook's doing with Facebook Connect is probably getting a lot of R&D teams inside different companies trying to crack that nut. But it's not an easy thing. It certainly hasn't been done today.
So